Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to build a screen crack prank app in MIT App Inventor. Let's start. Before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please click the subscribe button and enable the bell icon. Then you will be notified when new content uploaded. Okay, let's search for a broken screen image. Yeah, it is enough. Let's go to MIT App Inventor. Let's start a project named Screen Prank. Okay, now let's hide the status bar and the title. Okay, now drag a button. Let's name it Start. Make your own changes to it. Now drag an image. Let's upload our image file to it. Okay, check the scale picture to fit. Let's drag the accelerometer sensor. Now add a screen initialize event. Set button visible to true and set picture visible to false. Now button click event. Set button visible to false. We want to initialize a variable named start. Okay, now let's set this variable to start. Add a accelerometer shaking event if this start event is equal to start. Set the visible of the picture to true. Okay, now let's check it. Click the start button and shake your phone. Okay, it worked.